Having nice, clean windows not only lets in the sunshine, but makes your home look pristine as well as beautiful. It also makes your home look well maintained. Everyone enjoys sparkling clean windows over dingy ones any day, but it isn't always easy to get the desirable and attractive crystal clear glass. The good news is that if you use the right techniques, tips, and cleaning products, it is possible to get sheer windows that look as if they were professionally cleaned. Chances are that you don't need to clean windows in a high-rise or skyscraper, so if you do the washing yourself, you will be able to avoid an expensive bill or salary for the services from commercial window washing companies. Use the following ideas to clean all the windows in your car as well. Also, they are not just limited to residential or outdoor applications. You just need to know the ABC steps that a professional washer uses. Idea 1. Pick the best time of day for window washing. One of the most significant issues involving cleaning windows is that there are often streaks left behind. Choose the best time of day so you can avoid getting unsightly streaks. This will make it not only easiest for you, but will also cut down on your work. Avoid cleaning your windows on a hot day or a windy day. Near dusk is a good time for window washing. If it is very hot out, your window cleaner will evaporate much too quickly, making it very difficult to properly clean your windows. There will also be a lot of glare, making it hard to see what you're doing. If it is windy, you will find that you are fighting a losing battle, since dirt as well as debris will stick onto any wet parts of the window, making your windows worse than before you began washing them. Instead, choose an overcast day or work early in the morning before the sun comes up, or at least before the sun is shining on the window you are working on. Idea 2. Clean in the right order. If your windows are very dingy, first wash them with a cloth plus some soapy water. This will help soften any built-up dirt. Then you can go over and polish them with a professional strength window cleaner. You should also start by washing the frame. Then do the tracks of each window because a lot of dirt accumulates there. You will need a few helpful tools that will make it easier for getting into the narrow parts. You should have a toothbrush, a few Q-tips, plus some wooden skewers in your arsenal. Sprinkle a little baking soda as well as vinegar in the tracks. Then let them soak a few minutes before wiping with a clean cloth. This will help cut down on the time that you spend scrubbing. If you clean your windows first, then do the frame and tracks last, you will probably likely draw dirt out right onto your sparkling panes, making them dirty again. Idea 3. Clean regularly. If you are wondering how often you should clean your windows, clean them about twice a year. Think of these times as a mental registry. Clean each window pane thoroughly on the inside as well as the outside. Cleaning them in the spring as well as in the fall will help you remember when it needs done next. It will also help prevent further buildup. If twice a year does not seem like enough, you can keep your windows sparkling clean all year by keeping a few magic erasers handy for touching up any spots that show up. You can also get rid of lint on screens by running a lint roller over them, or take them off before spraying them down with a hose. Air dry completely before replacing them to avoid creating streaks. Idea 4. Stock up on a few cleaning supplies. Just as with any job that you do, you need the right cleaners in your kit. You also need the right equipment for the job. Having the right tools will make your job much easier. It will also help ensure that your windows look like they have been cleaned by a professional cleaning business. Invest in a good squeegee, which will help get rid of unsightly streaks. Use a stiff bristled brush to brush any loose dirt out of tracks. If you have high windows, you will also want to get a sturdy ladder or stepladder. Invest in a sponge mop with retractable handle so that you can reach every surface of your window with ease. Idea 5. Choose your cleaner carefully or make your own. The type of cleaning products that you use are really a matter of preference as well as budget, but some are far superior than others. You will also get varying results with different products. You don't need ammonia to get commercial-grade results. Many natural products work just as well or even better, but free of harsh fumes or chemicals. Although often cheaper, try avoiding cleaners from discount stores since they are often diluted. They are not a good deal since you end up using 3 times as much. They just do not leave glass as well as other surfaces sparkling. Most higher-end products that promise to give you clear glass do work, but they come at a price. Aerosol window cleaners normally work well, but if you want a more environmentally friendly choice, as well as one that does not cost as much, you can make your own. If you are making your own solution, all you need are a few simple ingredients. You may already have them in your home. Use equal parts of distilled white vinegar with hot water, plus add a teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. You can transfer your homemade concoction into a spray bottle so it's easier to use. Idea 6. The recipe for success and mistakes to avoid. There are many hacks and tricks that people swear by for saving time and money, but they are not always the best way of doing things since the results may not be the most desirable. Washing your windows is a process, so you want to avoid creating more work. Exterior windows can be especially challenging since they attract a lot more dust, dirt, as well as debris. Deciding what will be used for washing your windows will be mostly preference, but generally it is best to avoid using newspapers as well as paper towels on glass since they often leave lint behind or break down. That means you will have extra work when you should be focusing on polishing up your glass. Go with a squeegee to achieve the best results. Seeing the results of your hard work will give you the motivation to keep going and get all of your windows clean.